Arthritis. The term arthritis literally means an inflamed joint, but in actuality it means an inflammatory process or a disease of any of the joints of the body. There are over 19 different types of arthritis that affect over 50 million Americans. Some of the most common types are osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, and gout. Rheumatoid arthritis is also known as arthritis deformans, which means deformity caused by this inflammatory process within the joints. It is an inflammation of the joint accompanied by pain, swelling, and changes of the joint, both structurally and functionally. The abbreviations for the two most common forms of arthritis are RHA for rheumatoid arthritis and OA for osteoarthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis is a chronic or long-term inflammatory process that causes destruction of the joint. It causes the joint to be significantly deformed, and it is classified as a collagen disease of the autoimmune system where the body attacks itself. A collagen disease refers to an extensive disruption of body cartilage and other connective tissues. The word rheumatoid literally means like a discharge. Something is being disrupted or discharged through a joint. It's the inflammatory swelling of the joint as seen in the top picture of the female's hands and the bottom picture in the male's hands. This systemic inflammation of the synovial membrane and capsule causes increased synovial exudate, leading to thickening of the synovial capsule and joint swelling. It is recurring and exacerbated, meaning that it gets worse over a period of time. It usually starts in one joint, and over a period of time, because of its chronic nature, most of the joints of the body tend to be inflamed. It usually appears between 36 and 55 years of age, and it's more common in women than in men. It is associated with a number of conditions including body infections, trauma, digestive and or neurological disturbances, rheumatic fever, metabolic disturbances, body tumors, and other unusual physical conditions. The classification of the different stages of rheumatoid arthritis include Stage 1, which is bone destruction. Stage 2, muscle atrophy and loss of mobility of the body because of the wasting away of muscles. And Stage 3, which is bone and fiber ankylosing, or the fusing of bone to fibrous tissue in the area. A secondary type of classification of rheumatoid arthritis includes signs and symptoms and are classified from 1 to 4. They include signs and symptoms of pain, fatigue, swelling, fever,